Hey everybody, it's Nazar with Nazar's Fine Crafts, and today is segment 5 of what I bring to craft fairs as a crochet artist. This is the last segment I believe I'm going to have of what I bring to craft fairs as far as inventory. I may go ahead and do one of the supplies that I bring with me to display my items, as well as things that you might use throughout the day during a craft fair. So this is kitchen items. If you like these kind of videos, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to also check out the August giveaway. There'll be a link up top as well as down in the description below. It's going on till August 31st. The winner will be announced on September 1st. And then, yeah, let's get into the box. So, my mom, in the last Happy Mail that I got from my mom sent me these little oven mitts. This one's not little at all. So, little Panda oven mitts. Super cute. This will be my first time bringing something like this to a craft fair whenever I get into craft fairs again. I believe somebody emailed me and asked if anybody would be interested in doing one around November, a small one. So I said I would. And so we'll see if that goes on. If that does, I will have to set up my booth to see what I have and what I need to bring, even though this video is a good refresher. These videos are good refreshers of what inventory I do have, but I also need to stock up on a few things. So I do a few baskets, things like that. I also, sometimes I just use the baskets to hold things that I might need, like scrubbies. Kitchen scrubbies, those are really popular. I've tried a few different of the scrubby yarns, and I really like the one that you can get at Walmart. It seems to last. I use them at my house, but you see, I don't know if you can see this. So this guy is really kind of dull, and this one's really shiny. They're both 100% cotton, but this one's easier to crochet with, as well as it lasts longer in the kitchen. So I bring lots of different color scrubbies, because you never know what kind of colors somebody wants in their kitchen. So got teal, red, white right now. I've got some purple somewhere. And then of course, oh, and I have a tutorial on the crochet scrubbies. So I'll link that up top as well as in the description below for you if you're interested in making some. It's a really easy follow tutorial, as well as towel toppers. I do have a tutorial for these as well, which I'll link up top and down in the description below. But yeah, so lots of different ones. I try, like, since this one would probably be a good fall one, as well as a generalized kitchen. I try to do mostly seasonal. Like these I might take with me and set a few out, like the red, white, and blue, but that season's kind of past. As well as the summer. It depends on if I get into any festivals or anything like that during the summer. But I gotta pull out my Christmas ones, my Thanksgiving ones, stuff like that. Got roosters. More red, white, and blue. This is Bless This Home. I'm not going to show you all these because there's a lot of them. This one could be pretty general as far as season-wise. Bless This Home, or kitchen. Then during festivals, if you're at one of the big festivals, these are nice. These are water bottle carriers that you can actually just kind of sling over your side. I like them for my son most of all, because I don't want to carry his water and my water. I try not to carry a purse around if I'm going to a festival to just look around or something like that. So this is a wristlet one. You can even put your phones in these, stuff like that. But yeah, my son has one that he takes to amusement parks, festivals, things like that. So his water is right there on him. He can drink it whenever he wants. He doesn't have to take it out of the the sling or anything, so that's really nice. That might be a good one for you guys to try. I'll find a lot of these I was just playing around with patterns, but I do believe there's one out there already, so I will link that in the description below for you guys. More towel toppers. Happiness is homemade. Some flamingos. Let's see, my husband's grandmother. There's more towel toppers. My husband's grandmother crochets as well, and she does washcloths. She does blankets and washcloths. So I have a whole basket of her washcloths that I sell at these, and actually I give her the money back for those because she made them. She spent her money on that yarn, so it's nice to be able to add other people to your booth. So I got started out with the booth because I had a friend that was already doing craft fairs, and she said I could go ahead and come try this out. And you guys, it's the scariest thing in the world, but when you actually have somebody physically pay you for your stuff, it's one of the best feelings in the world. It's like, wow, somebody actually paid money for something I made by hand. So if you ever thought about it, find a friend that's already doing it and see if you can go and just hang out with them and put a few things in there. It'll just see what it's like at first. So let's see, this is this is a little fish backpack. Do you see it? Little fishy. It's a drawstring backpack. This is great for beaches and stuff like that. The sand will fall right out the bottom. So you can keep your kids' beach toys in them and they can carry them around. And then there's, of course, you have to have farmers market totes. There's a whole bunch of designs here. So I try to do them out of 100% cotton so that if, you know, if fruit or something goes bad or something starts to leak in one of these, you want to be able to wash it and it not shrink or anything like that. So just a whole bunch of different patterns, a whole bunch of different sizes, different straps. And then, but yeah, the farmer's market reusable bags are always great. And then you have things like the crochet balloons for kids. They're kind of at the bottom here. You can do coasters. Oh, gotta give a shout out to my little sister. So she started trying to crochet last year. I guess her big sister was just all into it. So she made these amazing Harry Potter bookmark scarves. So she did really well, I believe, for just starting out. And they go all the way through. So these are great gifts. So people that are looking for like little stocking stuffers that like Harry Potter and thing, those are great. And then, yeah, just there's a bunch of random stuff, a lot of balloons. But yep. So that's the kitchen stuff I have. It's pretty basic. The towel toppers are a big seller. The scrubbies are a big seller. The washcloths are a big seller. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you check out that giveaway, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.